Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make artichoke hearts. First, choose fresh artichokes that feel heavy and have tightly closed leaves. Begin by trimming the stem and the tough outer leaves. Cut off the top 1/4 of the artichoke and snip any sharp leaf tips. Then, halve the artichoke and carefully scoop out the fuzzy choke using a spoon. This preparation ensures you get to the tender heart. Once prepared, you can boil or steam your artichoke hearts. For boiling, place them in salted water and cook for 20 to 30 minutes until tender. If steaming, arrange them in a steamer basket over boiling water for 25 to 35 minutes. You'll know they're ready when a leaf pulls off easily or a fork pierces the heart without resistance. Adding lemon slices or garlic to the water can infuse wonderful flavor. Now for the best part, flavoring. Drizzle your cooked artichoke hearts with a good quality olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. A sprinkle of salt, black pepper, and fresh herbs like parsley or dill will elevate the taste. They are delicious served warm as a side dish or chilled and added to your favorite salads. If you have any leftovers, store cooked artichoke hearts in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. You can also marinate them in olive oil with herbs and garlic for an even richer flavor and extended freshness. These versatile hearts are fantastic in pasta, on pizzas, or as a delicious addition to bruschetta. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.